We have a challenge round. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go off the top of my head here because it's time to switch things up and put you all on edge. Can I get Vinny and Jay on your feet, please? Two different members from two different teams. I'm going to bring back another old game that we haven't played in a while. It's called sound effects. Basically, Jay, I'm going to award points based on your performance in this game. Jay is going to mime a scene. Does that make sense? Monologue. He's going to monologue a scene. He's not going to be able to make any sound at all. Vinny is going to provide all the sounds for this scene. So you guys think you're down for that?
Yeah.
Okay, Vinny, why don't you take the microphone? Players, are you ready?
What's the scene?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Can I get, please, I was looking at your shirt, trying for inspiration.
Bullshit!
Bullshit! Busted! Oh, she has a nice rack. Can I get a word?
Spice rack in her kitchen.
Can I get, please, the first word that pops in your mind right now? Stunt. Stunt. Stunt is the suggestion for this scene. Nice rack. Okay. Players, are you ready?
Yes! Yes!
Oh, it's okay.